Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, stay tuned for that, guys. So, before that, we will start with these cards for your general energies. We have Two of Moons in reverse, Six of Spheres, and Ace of Spheres. So, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are in a particular circumstance, maybe some kind of confusion or doubts are there today in your heart. You are making some important decisions for yourself, guys, maybe, and you need to maybe you are asking people their ideas or suggestions on certain things. Something is there in your mind, something is weighing you down, and you want to make the right decision. So you are thinking and you are taking guidance from someone, maybe people who are close to you, your friends or family members, or if it is some important decision in your work, you are asking your mentor or your colleagues about that decision, what needs to be done today, guys. And maybe today you are seeing some opportunities, guys, offers coming your way, and you are really happy for the way things are going because these confusions or doubts are clearing up. You feel really some kind of a diversion or distraction with positive opportunities coming in your work, or it may be some kind of a good news in your relationship. So maybe with this person, you may be seeing a lot of stressful circumstance, something not going as expected, maybe some arguments or some quarrels with this person you love, and you feel really lost and sad. That may be the reason you are asking people, maybe your friends or family members, what you need to do, because you don't want to lose them, you don't want to lose this person. That may be the reason you are asking these people their suggestions. And you love this person, guys, you truly love them. That may again be the reason you never want to lose them. But in your circumstances today, something is helping you out, maybe changing the way things are. Maybe this good news is coming in your situation. So it may be a good news from work, or it may be a good news in this relationship. Maybe this person is expecting a child, or you are expecting a child, and it is changing the whole scenario. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Judgment in reverse. So with this card, it just means that maybe there may be some something coming up, but still you may have some confusion, guys. Maybe you are someone who wants to make the right decisions each and every time. So you are a quite a difficult person to influence. So maybe this good news is there in your circumstance. Maybe people are telling you to rethink about this relationship or rethink about the way you have decided, but still you are not someone to be swayed easily. So you are still thinking, maybe, or this may be your person's energy, maybe they are still thinking what needs to be done, whether to go for this relationship or whether to move away from you. So some kind of doubt or uncertainty is what I see, guys, with these cards. So for your career situation, Virgos, we have Fool. So you are really feeling that inspiration and confidence about something. You want to make some decisions for yourself, but sometimes, Virgos, if you make some impulsive decisions, it's not going to work well. You need to make a clear choice, guys. Think with clarity. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Virgos. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. So I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances, you have faced a lot in your life. You have gone through a lot of difficulties, gone through a lot of trials, and you have endured confusion and uncertainty in your life for many years, and you were you were looking for an oasis, that freedom and relief all along. So the answers you seek or the freedom you look for is not far away, guys, and it is coming towards you, and you are going to get that clarity and happiness very soon. So you need not worry or you need not feel sad anymore. And this oracle comes with a special guidance, guys. Whatever you were going through, maybe you were going through a lot of pain, difficulty, and you were crying. Whatever it was, your sadness or all that stress, pain is going to be the foundation for something that is going to be changing or transforming in your life. And your life is divinely aligned and you are going to be more alive than before. So you must be prepared to let your old version of yourself just leave you. And what does that mean? What does that mean to say that we are letting that old version go away? It just means that letting go of the opinions or doubts, despair and fears that we have in our life. And a great transformation is coming your way, guys. So you can rest assured, be happy for that. And this oracle also comes with a special guidance regarding divine timing. So all your dreams and goals, whatever you had, your time is fast approaching. And maybe you are in that greatest confusion of your life or greatest darkness. But don't forget that deepest darkness of the night is the closest to the newest dawn. So You should not forget that, and don't turn back, don't turn yourself away from progress. So even your next step will be something breathtaking, or it may be something like a breakthrough in your life, guys. So you should not forget that. So at that appropriate timing, whatever is supposed to be yours will always be yours, and it is coming towards you. And this is the time for positive transformation in your life, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, so in your relationship or in your career or personal life, great changes are coming towards you, guys. You should not forget that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it is Yang. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today you are in that, what to say, you are having that creative power to make things happen, and you are the one who will make the right actions. So maybe in this relationship or in your personal life, you need to decide on something, or you need to what to say, take up some activity. There is no one better than you for that job, guys. So you have that power and energy to propel forward in your life, and this is the perfect time for you to act, and circumstances are supporting your action. And today in this relationship, maybe if you are interested in this person, if you are thinking of marriage or proposal, it is okay to make the first move. Trust that you will know where you are and where your relationship stands, guys. So in the matters of this relationship, there is movement towards that highest good. So you can move forward with assurance. Be assured that whatever activity you do is going to be the right thing for you, and passion is in the air, love is in the air, and it is the time to dance to the tune of love. So it is time to take the lead in this relationship right now. So if you are thinking of marriage or proposal, commitment, you can take that first step towards that in this connection, and that is going to work in your favor, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.